Welcome back to my next video. For more videos, click on that subscribe button, and for the latest updates from me, click on that bell icon. And never forget to subscribe my channel as well as to share the videos with your social media friends. And if you like this channel, then recommend to others. Hi my dear viewers. So today is like 21 of February. So basically yesterday I have uploaded one of the content and you can able to see that I have got 2 views or some views, right? I have got. So basically YouTube today has disabled my monetization, stating that as a result of your YouTube partner program requirements, your channel is currently no longer eligible for the monetization. Okay, right, no problem. So basically I will continue these videos for you. I'll not stop the videos because I am not like I'm earning from YouTube. I was not earning. I have shown my full proof that how much I used to earn and my AdSense account how much it is showing the balance, right? So one time also I have not got any payment. You can go for my payments and you can have a look of my payments. I have not got any payments right now. Right now my payments are like empty. Okay, so and you can able to see that any transaction has been not been happened. If you see the transactions, no transactions has been done till now. Okay, so I hope from this month I'll not be earning any money from the YouTube. You can able to see last month or last year or any time you can able to have a look, but I have not earned any one of the amount or any one transaction has been not be done. Okay, view summary and you can able to see. So basically what I want to tell you in this video, basically I am not doing these videos for the sake of money. If you like my video, please like it, share with your friends. That's the thing I was asking from the first beginning of my YouTube channel, right? Whenever I have begun my YouTube, from there I was telling that if you liked it, just share with your friends, because they will also know that yes, there is one channel where I can get some stuff for doing my projects for in my academics, or as well as if you are in an organization and if you are little bit worried about your basics, then you can come down and have a look of it and then you can learn from here. So just I was telling from there, and now also I'm telling that if you like this channel, please like it, share with your friends. That's it. I don't want anything much more. Yes, nowadays you can able to see I have created that donate button, right? So basically I have created a donate button. The people who are interested, because few months back I have got in my Facebook, you will be noticing that I have got a message by telling that do you have any account, PayPal account or kind of thing, so that I can donate you. I have liked your video very much. It's not from India, I know, it's from outside some African country. People told me, so that I have told them that no, I don't have any account, those kind of account, PayPal account or anything stuff like that. I don't have it, so no need to worry. Just have a look of my videos. I have told them, and after that I have tried many things. I have tried, yes, people are interested in my videos and then they want to donate me. So that's the reason what I have done. I have created a donate button. You can able to see in my every video from now onwards, or in my previous videos also I will be editing my comments. You will be finding one donate me link. Whenever you click this donate me link, you will be going to here. Okay, you will be going here and you can donate by using your anything, PayPal, credit card, anything you can go. And my name is Manohar Mohanta. As usual, you know, if you are watching my videos from first, I used to tell my name. Now I have stopped my telling my name and I have started to tell my channel name, right? Welcome back to my VHDL language, I used to tell, right? So that's the thing. So my name is Manohar Mohanta and you can pay any amount, like from 1 rupee to 10 rupees, anything, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, anything, any amount you can pay, and just give a details of your name and phone number, so that I will be seeing that who has given me and on which date has you have given me, and I will be having some details of you. Okay, so that it will be useful for me. And if it is not, if you don't want to give your details and all, okay, it's fine, good. If you want to keep hide yourself, then okay, it's good. Just you mention the date, on which date you are giving me, because I need to have a track, right? So in this date I have got this amount. Okay, so that's the reason. For banking issues also it will be helpful for me. So if you pay me, and this is the how you can donate me right now. And one more thing I have developed is like for your projects, any projects I develop here, and if you ask me, most of the comments are like, I want this code, I want that code. Yes, I will be providing that code by charging very few amount. It will be from, see, it depends upon the project. I cost from 10 rupees to your 2000 rupees. In between this, your project fee amount will be there. So you can go in projects.pytvdgrabber.com. In last time also I have told you about this website. There you will be finding all the projects on VLSI. Okay, all the projects on VLSI. Let me go and show you how many projects are there. Basically, let me we go for shop VLSI projects. Okay, so in VLSI projects you will be finding many more. So you'll be having, say, from 2000 to 510 rupees, 960, 260. Okay, so you'll be finding few less to less amount in this. Now at this point of time I have created how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 projects you have basically. No, 6 projects, it's 9 projects you have basically. So where you can able to download, and if you request me any of the codes, then I will be pasting it here. I will be writing the code, and just you need to come here and you need to click. In simple clicks you can able to buy it. Okay, so that is a thing. I am hoping from the next time that it will be very simple for us, so that I will be pasting a link in the description of the project. I will be not be pressing. Whenever you ask the code, I will be pasting it. Just add to basket, go for add to basket, and the same thing whenever you add it, and just check out from here. So any e-commerce website, if you go, it will be same in this fashion. Just check out, click on checkout. It will take you to the checkout page, and where you need to fill the details of your all the item of the name, address, everything you need to fill. And here you can able to find you can pay the amount by using three things. You can give me a check. After receiving a check, I will be sending you to the mail ID, which mail ID you will be pasting it here. Okay, additional information, you have your mail ID or you have your email address here, very important. Okay, so that email address I will be pasting you, I will be giving out you. Okay, or you can pay it using pay you money. Okay, nothing but your debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI, anything you can pay. Or foreign people also can go for the net banking process, or anyone who is want to pay with my PayPal, you can check out with your PayPal concept also. Okay, so I don't prefer PayPal. I'll be not be using much more in PayPal, but yes, you can go ahead with a PayPal account also, and you can place the order. This is the small thing which I want to tell you. What happened if my YouTube monetization is disabled? If you support me, then I'll be growing. Okay, so any point of time I will be getting back my monetization kind of thing, and I don't hope I'll be getting it, but I will educate you every day. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, again I'm telling, like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.